Hi guys, I'm back again! For today's video, we are going to do a abstract nail art. This is for summer theme nail art design. And if you're interested, please keep on watching. First, paint your nails white as a base color, but before that, start with a base coat. We have a straw here and I'm gonna use this, and let's see how it works. I'm preparing the colors that I wanted for this look. So it's in summer, I'm gonna use a darker and brighter color. I cut the straw into this because guys, ayoko maubusan ng hininga, napakahaba ng straw kanina. Just prepare a tissue under your fingers because this is a quiet mess. Dip the straw into a nail polish and blow it directly into your nails. Just blow it guys, baka mamaya inumin yung nail polish nyo. Naku, mahirap yan. Just use cotton buds for clean up the mess guys. Don't worry kung messy to kasi kung gel polish naman yung gamit nyo, hindi naman siya mahirap linisin. Dip nyo lang yung cotton buds nyo sa acetone before cleaning up. And I'm gonna use this brush to clean the edges of my nail. And here it is. This is how it looks. It's kinda messy in the process, but it satisfies you with the result. So let's apply top coat to seal everything in. Yan guys, tapos na. And it's perfect. Ngayon ko lang ginawa to and I'm glad I did it. Ang saya. So, it's the end of our video for today. I hope you've learned something new on this. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you so much. Take care guys. See you on my next vlog. And if you have any suggestions, don't hesitate to leave a comment. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Love you. Mwah!